Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. If this is happening to your device, where your device looks like this, all messed up, or of course it looks as if there's something wrong with the display or it's broken. Alright, so this is a common issue that is known as inverted display. Alright, so of course the inversion happens where whites are switched with blacks, blacks with whites. So it gives you this polaroid effect, or of course this bleach out effect. So the colors are not exactly correct. And of course it might look slightly different. It doesn't have to look exactly this way, but of course you'll notice it looks definitely like a negative film, if you know what a negative film is. All right, so in this case that you're experiencing this problem, what you're going to do is follow along and I'll show you to fix it. All right, so the first thing you're going to do, guys, is go to settings. Once you're in your settings, make sure you're on the option that I'm about to show now. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to select accessibility. So it's right there. Tap on accessibility. The next thing you're going to do, guys, is go to display and text size under accessibility. And once you're here, you're going to scroll down. You're going to look for two options. You're going to look for this one that says classic invert. Make sure it's off. There you go. The display is back to normal. It could be smart invert as well, but it's a little less invasive with smart invert. So if smart invert is on, go ahead and turn that off too, and the display will look like this. All right, so the display has turned back to its normal look, and of course things are as they should be. Let me show you what the smart invert looks like. Smart invert almost look like it's in dark mode, and only some things are transformed, such as some of the icons are messed up. So of course you'll notice it in some areas but not in others. So in case that one is on, go ahead and turn it off. Notice the background look almost like it was in dark mode, but it's not now. And notice the blues are blues and transparency effects look like transparency effects. It will turn up everywhere on the display. So not only here on the main display, but it can also happen in your apps and so on. All right, so make sure both versions of the inversion are off. All right, so that's how you fix it. And your device is not broken. I'm sure you thought it was, but it's not. So if that was the case, go ahead and share your comments. Let me hear what's happening in terms of what you thought was happening, how it happened to you. In my experience, it can happen. Kids were messing around with the device and simply turning on settings. It can be you yourself turning it on in error and not clue what it did, and then you are in the situation. Or somebody's playing a prank on you or something like that. All right, so who knows? So it would be great to hear how you got into the situation. And of course, who knows, it might even be a cat. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.